Hello, my name is Jackie Arendse, and I'd just like to tell you about the upcoming 2022 year-end tax update that I'll be presenting on behalf of tax faculty during the course of November 2022. As always, a lot happening in tax in South Africa, and I will be doing a recap of the important amendments that have taken place in the various bills that have been put together during the course of the year. These are still in the process of being finalized and promulgated as I am recording this. By the time we get to November, we are hoping to have the final bills in place, and they would not be promulgated yet, but we know that that process always happens later on, either in December or January. But during the course of discussing these amendments, we'll be identifying for you the important amendments, how they impact you and your clients, and as always, there will be time for you to ask questions and get clarity on any matters that you might be concerned about. I will also be talking about recent tax case judgments that have come through during the course of 2022, ranging from High Court judgments. We have a couple dealing with the Tax Administration Act. We have a few Supreme Court of Appeal judgments, 2 VAT judgments, and 1 dealing with the Tax Administration Act, and then even a Constitutional Court judgment dealing with the Tax Administration Act. And so I'll be talking about those judgments and highlighting for you how the content of those judgments is important and how it impacts on you, and the key matters to take away from those judgments. And then any SARS documents that might have been issued during the course of the year, the important ones, the ones that are of most relevance to you, I'll be picking up on those, some new interpretation notes, any key amendments to interpretation notes, and so on. So it's a really important update. It's one that you just can't miss. We'll be doing 4 live seminars, and then I will be doing a 2-part webinar. So it's 2 hours times 2 during the course of late November, and those webinars I will be presenting live as well. So please make a note in your diary, book yourself onto either the seminar or the webinars, and I look forward to catching up with you then.